Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be going over Kaleido Colorworks Mecha Colors Set B. This is 24 colors. I showed all the colors in the original set a while ago when they first came out. This is just come out, I believe, within the last week, and it's a busy week for Gallery, as they had a bunch of their releases come out on the same day, including the new Aventus 2 airbrush, the paint mixer, which I used extensively during this. I hit the button as I'm carrying it over. I used this quite a lot, as I sprayed every color for you guys in this box, save for two we're going to do on camera. And while I was airbrushing one, I was mixing another color in this, hands-free, which was great, and I just turned around, swapped them out, and it cut my time in half, really. So yeah, busy time for Gallery. But right now we're going to be showing you each color here. Not really a reason to go through an extensive test, as it's the same wonderful, awesome acrylic paint line, best acrylic paints I personally have ever used. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to spray it over a few different surfaces, and we're going to show you every color on camera, so you get to see each color in this set. All right. Oh, this is probably a color chart. Yep, there we go. Here's the Mecha colors right here. Right up into 148. Is that where we are on here? Yes, up to 148. It also includes a jar thinner and a jar of cleaner. I recommend getting an extra jar of the cleaner, bottle of the cleaner right here. It works awesome with this. I found it to be great, besides the super hot water that I use for all my acrylic airbrush cleanings. Now I flipped over the two colors I'm going to test on camera, because I figured these would look good on camera. And what we're going to do at the end of the video is we're going to go ahead and show you guys each color in order that it's in the box. For now, we're going to pull these two out, and these are the two we're going to spray on camera. Like I said, I used their new mixer right here. Underneath this was the pad that I stuck down, but go ahead and there we go. It doesn't shake the desk. It didn't affect anything else. It got the job done. This stuff doesn't separate tremendously bad. It shakes up really well. You can hear the little marble inside it and shaking around in there, which is big. And that was it. While I was working, I was just popping out one, put in the next color I was going to use, and carried on. So it really came in handy. Let's get that back here. All right. So let's go ahead, spray a couple of these colors, and then I'll show you all of the colors as they're sprayed. So let's head over to the booth this way, and let's get started. All right, guys, at the booth, got my Aventus with the handle. And what color do we have here? K131. Some kind of magenta, I would guess. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. Good to go. All right, I'm going to show you the coverage power, too, of this stuff. We're going to spray some black. All right. Most of the color samples are going to be over white, and it's because the coverage is just so strong that it's even slight on some colors. There's a difference, but it's a strong opaque coverage. So that's two light coats. It doesn't bead or anything like regular acrylics. We're just going to go in for the final coat. There it is. Fantastic. All right, let's put this out of the way. All right, let me show you the coverage power here over black. This is primer. I also can use the gloss black spoons that I use for a lot of projects. All right, there's our first base. You can go ahead and, I'm just hitting it myself with some air here. Get a quick dry. Another quick dry. It's just air. I show it my hand to show that it's just air. All right, we'll go in for the third coat. Why not? Let's go. Get in a little closer, about 2 inches. Check that out. That's coverage, baby. Look at that. All right, we'll put this aside. All right. Small cup. I forgot to change the cup out. Let's pour a little more in, straight out of the bottle. We are at 24 psi. I'm looking down at the compressor. So this Warhammer guy, we're just going to give it a quick coat. A lot more little crevices and lines and nooks and crannies, word we want to use there, details. So it's always a little trickier to fill in those spots, but as a good base coat right there. We'll let that dry for a sec, and we'll put some on this Gunpla leg piece here. All right, let me let that dry. I could do the quick drying, but we're doing 2 pieces at once here. You know, right now we'll do the quick dry. These are a glossy base, by the way. Glossy finish, I should say. Looks good on camera, but these are a little trickier. These pinks, these oranges, yellows. They take a little more coverage, but in the case with this paint, it seems to be covering perfectly. Look at that. All right, I need a couple more drops to finish our Gundam piece, and then we'll move on to that orange color. There's zero smell, completely non-toxic. There we go. Look at that. Really a fantastic paint line. I'm shocked that a new company developed this so quickly, and it's really is spectacular. Let me clean out the airbrush with that Kaleido cleaner, and I'll come back. We'll do the other color. All right, next up is, what number do we have here? 136. We got loaded up. Whoa, here we go. Well, that covers quick. Holy smoke. There we go. That's all set. That covered faster than the other one. Let's go. Let's get this guy with a base coat here. Let that dry a bit. All right, let me show you over. Let's put a little more in here. I keep forgetting I put the tiny cup here. I'm only putting a few drops. Check out the coverage over black. Flash dry. It's just air again. There you go. Wonderful coverage. The compressor has kicked in. All right, let me finish up the little guy here. I'll do it off camera so we can get going to the color comparisons. So I'll meet you back at the bench, and I'll show you every color in the box. All right, guys, here we go. With a stretch as much as I could fit on screen at a time. There's 125 Vanguard White. Beautiful white paint. I'll show you the spoon, how it started, I guess. There you go. 126 Vanguard Red. 127 Vanguard Yellow. 128 Vanguard Blue. 129, Vanguard Dark Gray. 130, Aerial Core White. Hard to see on camera. This one's good. There's slightly different whites. A little more of a gray tone to the first one. This is more of a pure white. Very good for shadings. All right, and here's the one we did on camera. Let me try and do here. There we go. Hold on. All right, this is 131. Spectre Magenta. This is it over the black primer. You can see it's a slight difference there. I wanted to show you the coverage that it gives. It covered that up pretty easily, the black. Here was the Gundam piece. Get this stuff out of the way. And here is, we dropped him. Here is our Warhammer guy. Straight over the plastic. Pretty durable. I wouldn't scratch test these. The spoons are terrible for that. But this plastic, my fingernails are way too long. So, and this stuff does not come up over the proper plastic. On the spoons, forget it. It's got that stupid material. It's just good for showing the color, the spoon, you know. But it is really durable. You can put masking tape on it. We've done that test already. It's just really good. All right, let's continue on. Let's get him out of the way. All right. 132, Aerial Control Blue. 133, Aerial Frame Gray. Let's get that in the frame. Got a piece of hair on it or something there. Beautiful gray. Look at that. All right, hold on. 134, Spectre Ash Gray. I don't have to hold those up. You can see the difference from there. The grays. Beautiful grays. I like the fact that these are gloss. They started their flat line also. But as far as this goes, great for panel lining. Once you spray a kit, you want to put your panel lines in. A gloss is perfect for panel lining. The paint flows better. And you're going to top coat most of your stuff anyway, particularly after decals. And you just top it off with their flat, and you're good to go. All right, 135, yep. Biosignal Purple. Beautiful shade of purple there. All right, let me pause the camera and get the next set, the next wave in. What number was this? 35? All right, without closing off here, let's go ahead and do the one we did on camera. So this is 136 Biosignal Yellow. Here's the bottle. It's right here. Here is the character we sprayed. Great coverage. Great coverage. All right, now let me sweep these out, bring in the next set of colors. All right, let's go over the rest. Here we go. 137, Biosignal Green. 138, Strike Red. Oh, there we go. Is that the Strike Gundam? Is that what they're talking about there? 139. Oops, here we go. Fighter Blue. 140. Fighter Blue Gray. It's a nice color. 141. Fighter Light Green. 142. Fighter Green. And I sprayed this over the glossy black spoons that I have. 42. And I just wanted to show you how great it covered. Awesome coverage. 143. Justice Variant Pink. That's definitely after the Justice, which I happen to have a Justice Master Grade sitting right over here. 144. Core Pink. And again, I sprayed the pink over this black spoon, and coverage is great. Looks actually lighter than the white. Look how good it covers. All right, 145, Storm Blue. 146, Blade Blue. From a distance, they look the same, but they're not. Not even close. Good two-color for a two-color kit, right? 147, strike green. And 148, ultimate navy. Let me reach over here and grab this Justice kit. Let's see what color they were aiming for here. I got the kit, but it's huge. Let me see if I can pan out here or something here. So let's get that color. Yeah, this is definitely the color. They got a shot of the kit here. It's shrink wrapped, so I don't want to open it here yet. But yeah, I can definitely see they. That's the Justice red, that's for sure. I mean, it looks flat here, like I said. I would put all the decals, the panel lining, and then put the dull coat. It will look exactly like that. Wow, excellent. All right, let me get this kit out of here. So there we go. That is a review. It is a great set of paints. I put it up close to all my videos because they're having their big sale. So I figured if anybody was interested and wanted to see them before buying, I put it up now while their sales are ongoing, which is right now. So I will put a link below to, hold on, let's go back in again. There we go. I'll put a link below to their site where you can get them. I don't know if they're on Amazon yet. I'll check. If it is, I will put the link below. If not, it goes right to their site. I believe they have a warehouse now in the U.S., I believe in Jersey. So I'll put that there. I'll put my link. I'll put a code in for you can get a discount, a Barbatos-Rex code. So when you go to purchase anything, put that code in too. I believe it's 10% off. But your price is already going on. And don't forget the Aventus is currently on sale too. You get the combo with the handle, or you can buy the handle separate if you have one already. So there you go, guys. An awesome, wonderful, excellent lineup of acrylic paints. They have another range of paints coming out very soon. I got some test samples. It's going to be it's an Omni paint where you can brush them. Where these are just for airbrushing, the new paints are you can brush them on and airbrush. So and there's a bunch of military colors coming with those. So be on the lookout for those. I'll grab a set of those as soon as I can, and we'll do the same thing again. We'll show every color as we conclude. Going into a bit of a nostalgia phase here. Some of my favorite bands. I always put metal, big metal guy in the background. But my favorite bands, most of the bands in my top 10, half metal, half this stuff. Supertramp, Asia, Alan Parsons could be close to number one for me. These are very special bands to me, and a big part of my youth. And I pulled some out. I was humming a song from this Turn of a Friendly Card album, so I pulled that out and played it. It's a beautiful, quick album. It's like just under 40 minutes. It's fantastic. It's a flawless album. Crime of the Century, a 10 out of 10. So anybody in my age knows what I'm talking about here for bands. And there you go. Anyway, guys, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. We do at least a video a week. Did a bunch this week because of galleries, all new releases coinciding with a big sale. So I didn't want to review something a week or two after the sale, in case you guys really like what you saw, and at least you can get it at a discounted price in addition to my discount. So there you go. Look below for the links for anything you guys want. And there it is. All right, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. We will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.